Good morning, Central Pennsylvania. This is Robert Prestley with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Thursday, October 2nd, 2014. Let's start by taking a look at your time lapse this morning, looking across Happy Valley. And as you could see, you could really see those fog clouds rolling in and out of the area. We've seen some dense fog at times early this morning. But as you can see now, we're just kind of left with some low cloudiness. And that fog is beginning to burn off this morning. So taking that live look outside, you can see that cloudiness still sticking around. Your temperature right now is 54 degrees. Your dew point is also 54. And when we get those temperatures near those dew point values, you're going to see fog, and that's what we're looking at this morning. Visibility currently down to 3 miles at the State College Airport. That's pretty much the story across much of the rest of the Commonwealth this morning, especially across portions of central and western Pennsylvania. You can see visibilities in many cases below a mile and below even half a mile in many spots. In Pittsburgh this morning, down to 1/10 of a mile visibility, and about 1/4 of a mile in Bradford, Franklin, and Williamsport. Right here in State College, we're at 3 miles, which is about in between. And if we look across eastern Pennsylvania, you can see that they're mostly clear. They're not dealing with those fog concerns this morning. So due to that fog, we have this dense fog advisory in effect until 9 a.m. across much of southwestern Pennsylvania, including the Pittsburgh metro area this morning. Now, just because you're not in a dense fog advisory does not mean you're not seeing dense fog this morning. So take it easy if you're headed out there this morning. Be alert for those rapidly changing conditions on your roadways. Looking at the radar and satellite, you can see for the most part we've got some cloudiness sticking around here, but we're pretty much sandwiched between two systems. We've got this system over here impacting Boston with some rain, and we've got a cold front draped across the upper Midwest, which is bringing rain and storms to much of that region early this morning, and that cold front will be what we will be watching to impact our weather as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at that eye on the future forecast. You can see that fog burns off pretty quickly, and we're left with a mostly clear day. Today should actually be pretty gorgeous despite a bit of a gloomy start to your day. And you can see those clouds and rain beginning to work their way towards us as we head into tonight and especially into tomorrow. This is at 7 a.m. You can see a few more low clouds trying to develop being shown on this model. That could indicate the more potential for some fog as we head into the morning hours tomorrow, but it should not be nearly as dense as we were looking at this morning. And once that clears out, we'll begin to see the leading edge of this band of clouds, rain, and storms work their way into our area. This is stopped at 12:30 a.m. on Saturday, so late in the night on Friday, we're going to be dealing with some moderate to potentially heavy rain, at times those yellow and orange shades indicating some very heavy rain falling right over the center region as we head into late Friday night. So if you're going to be out and about on Friday night into Saturday morning, you're going to want to be prepared for some heavy rain pockets if you're headed out there. Showers should stick around through much of Saturday morning, but as we head into the afternoon, you can see we actually clear out pretty quickly. Just a few scattered showers remaining across eastern Pennsylvania, but here in central Pennsylvania, we should be clearing out. And as we head later in this forecast into Sunday, you can see we're actually mostly clear across much of the Commonwealth. The entire Commonwealth will be surrounded by rain, but here we will be very nice. Should be a decent day for Sunday, although we will be dealing with cooler temperatures behind that rain on Friday night. So for today, expect that morning fog to burn off pretty quickly, and we'll be left with a mostly sunny day. Should be a gorgeous day. Your high temperature right around 72 degrees, which is above average for this time of year. And as we head into tomorrow, expect mostly cloudy skies. We'll begin to see that rain work in for the afternoon hours. Your high temperature will be 68 with that wind out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So here is your 7-day forecast. And as you can see, the bottom really drops out with the temperatures as we head towards the weekend. Staying in the mid-50s for Saturday and Sunday, with your low temperatures on Sunday and Monday mornings bottoming out around 40 degrees. Definitely a shock to the system after the beautiful weather we've had lately. And as we head into the middle of next week, we'll begin to see those temperatures moderate. But the storm system that is responsible for the rain this weekend will stall out over the area, bringing periods of rain showers with otherwise mostly cloudy skies. Definitely a much more fall-like pattern setting up for the middle of next week. That's the weather for Pennsylvania. I'm Robert Prestley for the Campus Weather Service. I hope you have a great day.